Hi friends, welcome to AWS series. So in the previous video, how you need to configure simple notification service, right topic and subscription I explained. If you are watching, this is the first time, please go and watch that video. Why? Because we are using same concept in the CloudWatch alarms. Okay, so why we need CloudWatch alarm? Okay, in the billing dashboard at the starting of the series I explained, okay, how it is happening. We'll see now. Okay, so let me open. Okay, basically CloudWatch alarm, it will be watching you for your billing payment. Not only the billing, like it will be watch your EC2, your it will be watch your S3, your Lambda, whatever you're using the service, every service it will watch for you. Okay, if anything crossing beyond your alarm, suppose you're using the price about 10 euros is greater than. Okay, I want to receive an email alert. How you need to configure? Okay, we'll see now. If you want to use that service, click on services tab. Here click on, there is a management and the governance, there is a CloudWatch service. Click on CloudWatch. Okay, if you use the CloudWatch, I'm in North Virginia region. Why? Because even your billing dashboard, everything will be a global level, so that's why we are using the North Virginia. This is the region you need to see your alarms, everything. Okay, if you change to another region, you can't see your billing alarm. Okay, so what happening in the CloudWatch, basically we have a three type of things. One for the alarm, see, this is a alarm, sorry, and we have a logs, and we have an events. We have a three things, main important things we have. Today we'll see as about the alarm. Okay, click on alarms. If you see here the alarm, you can create your own alarm also. Okay, I have a previously created, let it be right now. Okay, so click on create alarm. Here you need to choose your metric. Click on select metric. If you see here metrics, we have a lot of things I have here. Okay, so if you use here, what I will do, filter namespace, billing, firehouse, lot of things you have. If you click on the billing alarm, okay, here inside the billing alarm, see, based on the usage it will display for you everything. Okay, so if you're using previously any EC2 instances, if any dashboard is created for you, payment dashboard, okay, then it will display for you. If you are a beginner, if you are watching the first time, total estimate charge, hope it won't be available to you if you enable. How? If you want to display this a total estimated charge, okay, you need to configure one more option. I will show you. Let me open AWS one more tab. Click on the my account. Here go for your dashboard. Click on the billing dashboard. Okay, here in the left side, go for the billing preferences. Here you need to enable this option, receive billing alerts, and click on save preferences. Then once you done this option, it will be reflect for your total estimated charge for you. Okay, click on selected estimated charge, use USD, and click, this is the metric you are using, this is the metric for you. Here this is your metric name. What I will do, AWS billing alarm, I'm using alarm 3, I'm using, already I have some names. Okay, and here there is a currency is USD, use the default options. If you see here greater than, whenever the estimated charge is greater than 1 euro, whenever this is happen, if you want you can use $0.5 also you can give. Okay, these are default options, everything is the same, no need. See, it will be show the dashboard. This is a graph. Click on next. Here if you see here alarm, we are using the alarm category, this is a trigger. And here if you select SNS topic, by using use a topic ARN, create a new topic or select existing. Previously in the previous video we created one topic, that is billing alarm topic. Enable this option. Okay, only if it is a you used, like when I say alarm topic, you use the subscription, you configured and you confirm that email, then whenever your price your billing alarm, if you receive greater than 1, greater than 2, if you want to receive email alerts, then you can use this option. That is simple notification service. This is my email id, and click on the next. Here you can provide your alarm name, AWS billing alarm greater than 1. Okay, anything that is fine. Okay, and click on next. Everything you can configure, just create alarm. That's it. It's very simple to create. Yes, if you want to create any number of alarms for you. Here in the in the starting, when we configure the topic, we didn't configure. Now I configured my topic also. See, if alarm 3 I'm using 0.5 euro for one data point within 6 hours is happen. Here you configure the topic. After some time, whenever your dashboard is happen, if it is crossed 0.5 to 0.6, then this alarm will be trigger. Then it will change the status alarm. Okay, these states will be changed whenever you are using. Okay, right now for me is not happened anything. That's why you can configure in this way. I hope you guys are clear. In the CloudWatch one service, we used some one alarm concept we use. In the next video, it's very important, the logs. Okay, we'll discuss about AWS logs in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.